Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add words to a video inside of CapCut. So I'm just going to quickly import a video right here. So let's say this one, and then I'm going to drag and drop it into my timeline. And let's say I want to add some words to the scene. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to the text tab and I'm going to click on the plus button that appears when I mouse over the default text option here. So now that that's in the video, I can freely position this anywhere in the video by just dragging and dropping the preview that you see, and you can also resize it. So here, if you'll notice the top right hand side of your screen, the properties box has changed to match that which is selected. So now here I can edit whatever is written. So let's just write something random like motorbikes. And then we can also add some outlines. I'd say that looks good. Make it italic. And then maybe change the font to something a bit simpler. There we go. You can also change the font size right here. And if you'd like, you can also change the properties of the shadows or whatever you have on. So right now, there are some shadows that I'm going to change. Change the blurriness a little bit, change the opacity, maybe increase the distance just to make it a bit cleaner and less intense. The opacity even more. Just make it so that it's barely visible and makes the text just pretty much readable. So as you can see, it was a pretty simple process. All we had to do was move on over to the text tab and add our text. If you have an account, you can also save whatever properties you have on your text as a preset. So you can quickly use it again in the future. There are also plenty of text templates that are available. Like for example here, there are plenty of text effects that, or templates rather, that you can add to your video to make it a lot simpler so you don't have to do a lot of the changes manually. That's going to be it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. As always, thank you for watching.